Alright guys, it's time to talk about ApeCoin once again on the channel here. Now as you can see, ApeCoin is breaking above this weekly resistance at about $1.57, right now sitting at $1.60. That's nice to see because we got rejected here back in October several times. And yeah, I mean, if we can hold this candle tonight, that I think will signal, we have broken this, trend a little bit, and we will start to make higher highs at that point. And $2 is the next, resistance. And keep in mind that will be psychological resistance as well, guys. Now, if we zoom out just a little bit more, I do want to say, let me put this on a weekly time frame, that I do believe ApeCoin will not be too bullish until it gets above about $3 and let's say 29 cents. So, and a lot of people will say why? Because we're going to make a higher high after $2.30, and there's a lot of inefficiency between this point. We have about $1 of inefficient trading. I just believe ApeCoin kind of has to prove itself, guys. They did come out with Ape Chain not too long ago, like a month and a half ago, and we still haven't seen the metaverse, guys. That's the main thing with ApeCoin. Everybody is waiting on the metaverse, so I don't think people are going to take this too serious until they see it get up here in this range. And that would basically put it in this upper half of trading. So yeah, that's the point that I believe it's truly going to rocket ship. Now that's just a personal opinion. That's just what I think could happen. It may rocket ship today, you just never know. So anyways, guys, if we take a look at the tokenomics of ApeCoin, basically there's 1 billion ApeCoin, and there's 721 million circulating, so that's a very low supply, guys. If we take a look at the, what is it, the all-time high, it's up at $27, guys. It's 94% down still. So I don't know, guys. I truly believe if the metaverse comes out, yes, we have $40 to $50 in this coin for sure. But if we don't get a metaverse, this will not be, it will not be overtaken this cycle. I believe, still ApeCoin could see $8 to $12, maybe $15, but, not $27 in this cycle if there's no metaverse, guys. Really, I love ApeCoin. It's kind of one of my dark horses too. I have recommended this to several people, and, my wife has this in her bag. So yeah, I love ApeCoin, but we need that metaverse, guys. Now, if we take a look at tokenomics, guys, ApeCoin does have kind of a sizable unlock coming in about, 16 days. They're going to unlock 2.16% of the circulating supply. So keep that in mind. It could affect the price slightly. But honestly, guys, in a bull market, I don't think it's really going to affect it that much. I think that will get, eaten up pretty quickly. So my personal opinion, though, maybe it does affect it quite a bit. You just never know, guys. Maybe you want to sell before this unlock, and maybe you have a chance to pick it up lower. But honestly, it's a risk right now in this bull market. All right, now taking a quick look at Bitcoin here, not much has changed since yesterday. Let me extend this line a little bit here, but you can see that we have come down to retest this again basically earlier today, and we have gotten a bounce from this trend line that shows you this is the neckline basically of this inverse head and shoulders. So yeah, this target, guys, like I said last night, is up here at about 102,700. Now, we still haven't met the target either from this little bull flag here, which is at 100,700. And we also have not met the target of $105,000 from, let's see, this giant consolidation that we did for months and months and months, guys, from like last February to middle of October. So we have a lot of targets here to meet, and it looks like everything is really a short-term target. I mean, we could meet these in a day if we get some good news. So yeah, guys, everything I think is looking good for Bitcoin, though, at the moment. Nothing drastic has happened. So yeah, taking a look at the crypto market cap, basically with Bitcoin. This is daily time frame, so we have had 3 green candles in a row. As you can see, we did break this resistance here a few days ago, and it looks like I said, it's going to continue upwards. And now we need to kind of see some consolidation or some movement first, and then maybe we'll get some targets, later. But yeah, everything looks good for the total market cap here. And yeah, so if we continue to the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, really the same deal, although we do have a little bit of a red candle today. But yeah, we did break this resistance that we saw, a few days ago, and we retested that, and we got a big bounce. So let's see where this goes to. We need some consolidation, or we need a bigger bounce, and then we'll be able to measure targets for later. Now, market cap, guys, it is kind of getting a bounce today. But it also did get a rejection today. If we zoom in here, basically, it almost touched this line. Like I always say, these lines are not 100% perfect. I could even adjust this slightly, and it probably would touch that, wick. So yeah, 57.55 is proving to be resistance right now. So hopefully, we'll continue downwards from this point, guys. That resistance at the dominance 58.55% has resulted in we can say a 2-point bounce here. This morning it was 67, now it's 69. So as a result of it bouncing down off of that, resistance here, I think we saw a couple of points just because of this, this bounce down. Now, if we continue down, I do believe if we reach maybe 56.9 or we break under it, probably we're going to see true altcoin season. We'll probably break above 75, I truly believe. And yeah, you're going to see, all of these cryptos just go crazy, on crypto bubbles, for example. This is the top 100, and we have a lot of winners today. Now, there are a few red coins, of course, but they might have had excellent days yesterday, for example. So yeah. Now, taking a look at the 81 right now, yesterday in 84, I do like to see it cool down, and I hope we do cool down a little bit further. I would like to get under 80, even maybe somewhere around the 70, 68 point level. I think that would be healthy, guys. So for the economic calendar this week, guys, I'll just mention the 2 most important days. Basically, it is on Tuesday where you have JOLTS job openings, and on Friday you have non-farm payrolls. Now, there are some other macro numbers this week, for example, ISM manufacturing numbers, or maybe the PMI manufacturing here on Monday, ISM manufacturing, things like this. But truly the most important is Tuesday job openings and Friday non-farm payrolls. Now, if you want to stake your coins, guys, go to Coinondo and type in whichever coin you want, for example, Bitcoin. And be aware that there are limits here, and there are amounts, days that you have to stake, which it may be locked, or if it's flexible or not. Now, for example, you don't want to get stuck with 360 days and the bull market passes, guys, and you lose a lot of money because you were staking. So keep that in mind. These bull markets can go quick. I personally believe we're going to be in this for at least another 9 months, though. But yeah, it's totally up to you what you want to do with your money and staking. And anyways, guys, if you like this video, give this a like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.